And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:42 this morning, meteorologist Matt Hollander here. Pretty quiet start. Satellite and radar not showing much. Just a few passing clouds out there, mostly clear skies. I think we'll see a few more clouds pop up in the afternoon, but nothing much. This is going to be a quiet day. And the reason why it's going to be quiet is if you take a different look at the atmosphere, if you look at what's happening farther up at a higher level in the atmosphere, we have some very dry air over us. That's what this shade of tan brown is, a very dry air mass. But there is more humid air headed this way. Notice this band of moist air. That's associated with a cold front. And so if we zoom out just a little bit more and actually put back your more traditional satellite and radar imagery, you're seeing that with the warm front and cold front, there's a little bit of snow associated up in the far north, up in Canada. And I think we might see some rain showers and maybe some snow showers up in the Minnesota pop up later today. This cold front is going to make its way through Texas today and will arrive in our area tomorrow morning. It's just not going to be all that dramatic. It's going to be losing strength. Another one of those cold fronts that so often, as we see, fizzles out by the time it gets here. So it's going to be a minor change in our forecast. 7 a.m. As you start the day today, mostly sunny skies. Notice how the clouds are going to be increasing as we get into the afternoon, though. Not much, but we'll call it partly cloudy. Highs today in the lower 80s, very similar to what we saw yesterday. But the clouds are going to keep increasing. Now we're at 10 o'clock this evening, and look, at that point, it's going to be mostly cloudy skies. Overcast skies by tomorrow morning. Notice there's that cold front starting to get in here. Maybe as early as 6, 7 a.m., a shower or two will start to pop up. Models right now indicating late morning, early afternoon might be the peak of the activity, but it's not much of a peak. And notice these are still very tiny green dots popping up. These are isolated showers. And when we say isolated, that means more people won't see rain than it will. And then behind that cold front, that drier air starts to come in here. And so those clouds are going to start to break up. And I think before the sun sets, we'll be back to partly cloudy skies. And then those skies will continue to clear during the overnight hours. So for today, mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon, a comfortable day, warmer than normal for this time of year. Not crazy warmer than normal, but a little bit. We're talking about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. We're typically in the mid-70s this time of year. A little bit breezier than yesterday. Winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the south-southeast zone. That's a warm direction, warmer air working in here. That cold front not here yet. It's going to start to get closer overnight, but not going to be here yet. So it's going to be still kind of more of a muggy night than what we've had the last two. It's going to be warmer, partly cloudy early, but then overcast skies late. And because those skies are going to become overcast, we're just not going to cool down all that much. 64 degrees. There could be a spot or two of fog in the morning, but I think it's going to be mainly aloft. You're just going to be dealing with kind of a cloudy start with an occasional shower. You might want to bring the umbrella with you tomorrow morning, just in case you run into one of those showers, but don't be surprised if you don't see any rain. And then notice we do cool down a little bit because of that cold front. We start out a little bit cooler Thursday morning in the upper 50s, high of 80 on Thursday under mostly sunny skies. And then partly cloudy, we try and warm up again, but it's short-lived because another weak cold front arrives on Saturday. For the most part, again, just an increase in cloud cover, but we can't rule out some isolated showers. I wouldn't be too worried about the holiday parade right now. In fact, it's looking like the evening hours in particular on Saturday are looking dry. Of course, we'll be keeping an eye on that. Maybe some showers early Sunday morning before drier air comes in and we start warming up once again next Monday, looking at a high of 82.